What is up, guys, and welcome back to the...
Did I startle you?
What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Slimatory.
Put me off track.
What is up, guys,
You're
and welcome...
putting me off track. What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Slimatory. Thank
Is that better?
you. Yeah, that's so much better. You sounded really good that time.
Yeah.
Today we are going to be doing putting impossible ingredients into slime challenge.
Basically,
We put one random ingredient in our slime, and whoever slime is better wins.
And I will win, because I'm the master of random ingredients in slime.
Actually, we're doing it different this time.
What are we doing?
We're gonna number every single ingredient, and then we're gonna draw a number. Whatever number you get is the ingredient you get.
Dang it!
You can't choose what ingredient you get, so let's get straight on into the video. Yo. First, you dig into this foam beep.
You don't have to ask me twice.
And I'll also dig in here.
I got number 8. Let's go.
I got 7. Okay, seems like it's this one. Oh, I got flex paste. That's either gonna go really good or really bad.
I really wanted that one.
Well, now I get it.
Oh man, I'm stuck with cock. I'm ready.
I'm ready. Okay, I was gonna put some food coloring in this, but I don't know what color this flex paste is because it looks like it might be black. It says right here it's black. So I'm gonna take a wild guess and say it's black.
I'm gonna make mine blue. And now, time to add this thing in. So this is cock. It's supposed to dry up, but in slime, will it dry? Who knows? Wow, this feels great.
That looks interesting.
Yeah, I really wonder what that's gonna do to the texture. Let's mix. Let's mix.
I've got my flex paste, yeah?
It says stop, Amira, don't do it.
Yeah, it says stop and you read directions before use, but I'm gonna take a while so that directions don't say to put in slime, and I'm gonna do that anyway, so. Doesn't smell bad.
Hey, can you give me some?
Oh, that is so much, what kind of? I thought it was gonna be like not sticky. Okay, we're just gonna rub that in the slime. I don't wanna ruin the mixer with this, whatever this is. That is interesting. We're gonna put that in the slime, and let's mix this. Wow. Oh no, it's getting everywhere. Oh.
Oh boy, you ruined your mixer.
Yeah. That's not even sticking on the slime.
Oh my gosh,
oh my
you ruined it.
Yeah. I knew this was gonna happen.
Oh boy, that was the worst thing. I've done bad things, Amira, but that right there is bad. Oh, mine turned on.
Not even sticking.
Let's go.
Okay, so I read the directions and it says it's gonna start drying immediately and you're not supposed to use any water to clean it or anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you the win to this one, Paul. Good job. I'm gonna clean off my mixer.
Look at mine. Before I get the win immediately. Look at this. Oh, wow. This is one of the thickest slime ever. Amira, get your paper out of here. Oh, this is so weird. Amira, we should totally sell this. This is like super thick.
that's good.
Wow.
I think it activated the slime because it's like grippy. I don't know, but I need to start cleaning it immediately
Holy
because
moly,
it's gonna freaking
Amira.
destroy my mixer.
And she says, I make the messes. Have you seen this?
That is bad.
Oh boy, but look at my slime though. On the good part, this is a beautiful slime. Oh, it's so thick. What in the world? Let's make that. Okay, we're gonna title this video, The World's Thickest Slime. Quick comparison, Amira.
This barely even has any in there. It's probably got like a teaspoon because it all just went on the bowl. Luckily, I was able to clean it pretty good, I think. There's still a bit on there, but that was literally an impossible ingredient. Like really impossible. Do not put flex paste in your slime or just in general, don't touch it. Even if you're working with it, don't touch it.
Mine wins.
Let's go.
We're back. Pick a slime, any slime.
Oh,
Make a mess, why don't you?
all right.
No problem.
Number 2. Let's go, number 2.
Let's see what I got. Number 1, because I'm number 1.
What?
Yes! Okay, this one I know for sure. It's good. It's just soap. I mean, it's car soap. There can't be anything bad with soap. This is a much better thing than I was given last time. I am so happy. Number 1.
You wanna know what I got? Full shot.
Oh, that's dangerous.
That's bleach, that's bad. I don't even know if it's gonna have a chemical reaction and explode in our faces.
Good luck with that.
All right, Amira, I'm ready for this.
Why are you doing
We're
that?
flipping slime.
What do you mean we're flipping? I don't understand what's going on.
If you don't give me the win, I will do it.
What?
I'll do it, I swear I'll do it.
We haven't even started. Oh, you got pole shock everywhere.
All right, I'm putting pool shock inside this slime.
I feel like it's dangerous to breathe this
This
in.
is very bad. This is very bad for you.
Paul, that's a lot of it.
Do not try this at home or ever.
We're just stupid.
I made everyone disappear with this, so I'll be mixing it by myself. This is very dangerous, so I'm wearing gloves. I should be wearing a mask, but I don't have one. Oh, you see that powder? Oh, that's bad.
Paul, can you stop? I can't even freaking stand here. It stinks.
I really need to see what happens with it.
Who chose this? Paul, can you quit, please?
You give me the win and I'll stop
No!
this anytime.
Fine, I'll make mine. Okay? We're gonna put this Hydro Slick ceramic coating hyper wax. And I'm not breathing right now, that's why I'm okay.
Oh my God. Okay, I quit. I can't. This is what happened with it. There's absolutely nothing that happened to it.
I feel like if a car guy ever watched me do this, he would probably he's dying right now because I think this stuff is expensive. It looks expensive and I shouldn't be putting it in the slime, but
Who's gonna stop me?
this actually mixed it very, I win. I absolutely win, Paul. It's cool, but I think it needs some activator, so there we go. Add some activator and then we should be all good to go. And we are back and alive, thankfully. So don't mix pool shock with slime because apparently it bubbles up and starts burning and making smoke and it doesn't smell good either, so.
I don't think it's okay to breathe.
No, I don't think so. I think that we probably should go to the hospital after this. But my slime, on the other hand, went pretty well. Okay, I added my activator. I think I win this round because one, because I have slime, and two, because I didn't kill anybody.
And did you dye this?
No, I didn't. This is from the soap.
Wow, that's a nice color.
Amazing, right?
Oh, this is good.
It's kind of like really jiggly, but I think by default I kind of just win, don't I?
And I also will quit this one. Don't try it.
Yeah.
Don't do it.
Don't do it, please. No, it's dangerous. Okay, well, I win. Next thingy. What is your thingy? 5. I got this one. We're making a mess. And 4. What did I get? Ooh.
Are you kidding me?
I'll switch with you.
No.
Oh.
Now that you said that, I want it.
Well, I got carpet and upholstery cleaner. I don't even know what this is.
I got Pepto-Bismol. Let's go.
I guess I'm just gonna fill this up because it's kind of like foamy. It smells good. I like it. It smells very clean. It reminds me of something. Not my room. Is this dangerous?
No.
No?
No.
Well, like last time you just almost
It's
killed us
okay.
all.
It's okay.
I don't know if I should listen to you. Okay.
Right, I'm gonna put my Pepto-Bismol now.
I think that slime has a tummy ache.
I mean, you're cracking jokes.
I know. Thank you.
Oh, I won't get you a $1 for this.
$1? I thought you didn't have any more.
Well, I got a $1 bill.
Oh, right. Pays to be funny, I guess.
Yep.
Okay, I think this is a good amount. I am going to put a drop of purple. I don't want to add too much because I don't want it to change the texture or anything.
And here we go. What do you guys think? Do you guys think it's gonna turn pink? Oh, I don't know.
Okay, let's mix this. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. That's making a mess. I'm gonna have to go slow. And now we wait.
A few moments later.
So I decided to stop this.
What happened? What?
It's not mixing at all. I think it activated like the outside. Look at it. It looks weird. It's kind of, whoa.
It's got skin like when I put bleach.
Yeah, at least is this dangerous? Anyways, look at this. It like breaks apart. Oh, that's the stuff right there. That's satisfying. Oh, okay. Yeah, I feel like I lose this one. How's yours going? Oh, yours is kind of working.
Yeah, mine is completely melted, but fear not, activator's here.
Or you could just get some of mine.
Here we go. I think I win this. I win this. It's nice, it's jiggly.
Freaking Pepto-Bismol slime. Oh, that's more than jiggly. That's like,
Yeah,
it's like store-bought slime,
it's so weird.
but better. I like how jiggly it is.
Let's go, I win this round.
Yeah, you definitely win this round. Color, scent, and texture. This is mine. Let's go. There's only 2 more, Paul. Which one do we get? Number 3.
Number 6.
Hummingbird nectar.
I forgot. We've got antacid.
What is that gonna do?
No idea.
Hummingbird nectar. Hopefully there's no hummingbirds around. Hopefully there, I don't know.
Let's see what this does in slime. And what is that?
Ow!
I don't even know what it is. I've never seen this before, but I'm mixing it.
This smells like disgusting, but also good at the same time. Okay, we are gonna put a bunch of this in here. Man, I should use clear slime maybe.
This, I feel like it's gonna do absolutely nothing.
There we go, I got it. Okay, let's mix.
Oh! Holy moly!
Camera, it's all wet! Somebody get a paper towel!
And I make the messes, I insist.
I thought it'd be funny. Come here, I'm so sorry.
This is what happened with mine. I guess acid melts slime, Amira.
Well, that's anti-acid though.
Okay, but it still melts slime. And I tried putting so much borax, it doesn't work.
I think I need to do mine by like hand or something. It's working. It's making like a jiggly slime. I got sugar all over the camera though. I feel so bad. And I'm finished. It actually didn't really change that much, but
It is slime.
it's not, you know, I mean, how's yours, Paul?
It's milk.
Anyways, I win. Well, I guess that's it. Who won what?
I don't know. I think we both lost here.
That sounds like what a loser would say. Let me count. All right, I counted, and it turns out we tied. So I
we
guess
both lost.
we have to fight to death. Or you can give me the win.
I want to give it a win.
All right! Okay, we tied, okay? We'll shake on it. Comment down below, guys, if you want a part 2, and press that like button. Also, do not put Pole Shock and just don't go near it because it's scary. Anyways, that is it. Let me start your video. Bye. See you next time. Bye.
Peace.